No need for large machinery or cranes. You can fully assemble it within a few hours. The expandable container houses we produce include 2 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, and a separate drywit toilet. The entire structure is made of galvanized steel frames, which means the house is very sturdy and you can live in it with peace of mind. Water and electricity are already pre-installed. Just connect the water and electricity supply and you can use it. The kitchen has many cabinets and a refrigerator slot is reserved. This is a large living room.
You can arrange it as you like.
Each bedroom has a window, providing excellent lighting. The exterior walls have also been upgraded. If you want to know more about the size and other information, please feel free to leave a message.